Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to get a refund on Cnfans. So after you receive the product, you have to make sure that it does not pass like 30 days. Let's say you bought a product on the 1st January, but you you return it on the 1st February. 30 days have already passed for it, so they cannot provide you a full refund or exchange if you put it into return. So if it's the 1st January and you return the item on the 10th of January, then once they receive it, they'll check the item properly and also see that the reason for which you requested the refund, whether that is correct or not. If so, then your refund will be processed and a credit will automatically be applied to your credit card or original method of payment within a certain amount of days, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.